What?
Dude, come over.
What?
There's a
What?
small thing.
Small thing. What small thing?
This thing here, right here.
Oh wow! Wait, wait! It's so cute. I
Oh
wanna take.
gosh, it's
I wanna.
creepy. Look at it. I don't know if I should.
Dude, I think it's harmless. Let's just leave it alone. Yeah. Let's let
Yeah,
it mind its
okay.
own
You're
business.
totally right.
No! Hey! No!
Whoa! What?
What happened? Dude!
You killed me.
What? Yeah.
You killed me. Are these bad guys? Hey, look at them. They're like sneaking. Oh, it's going towards me. This is bad.
I don't know. It looks friendly. Well, find out.
Dude, we have to kill one. Let's see how one we can get.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
what do you mean go ahead? Man,
Kill it.
Fine.
All right. All right. All right. All right.
Okay, ready?
Ready. Kill. I feel sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Don't take anything. Just say,
Blizzard,
what's
Gizzard,
this?
Gizzard.
Gizzard. I don't know.
Okay,
take
fine.
it.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's for experimenting to see
Yeah,
what
yeah,
we
yeah.
can get. We won't do it again. Please, viewers, viewer discretion. Don't kill random creatures. Whoa! No!
What the?
Run,
Oh my
run.
God! Fuck! Oh shit!
die.
Fuck! Just run!
Oh shit!
Oh my! Still onto us! It's still onto us! Fuck! Where do we go? Where do we go?
Birds, birds! I know I killed your friend, but help me, Lord! Come in, freaking monsters, and tear my soul apart, bitches. There's a beast there, Twister.
Okay. Guess I'm gonna get back.
Whoa, dude!
What?
Dude, over here!
Where are
Look,
you? What?
over here.
What?
What kind of tree is that?
Yeah. Huh. Good thing you spotted it. Whoa. That's. Yeah. Take some of his leaves. Wow.
And just checking everyone.
Grab one.
You wanna completely harvest the tree?
No, no.
Oh.
Just grab some for
We are going
experiment.
to rape nature of its resources.
We're gonna rape
That's
nature.
why you suck. You're
gonna suck. Okay, never mind.
Okay, well look at those trees. They're pretty damn huge.
Yep, pretty damn huge.
We're gonna die of
Yeah.
freeze.
First of all, let's teleport right to my when.
Wait, what is that?
What's what?
Oh, it's just a piece of wood.
Looks kind of different with the ice thing on top. Okay.
There's no bad guys or anything. Okay,
Wait. Oh, it's just wood.
God damn it.
What you just saw is the same thing I saw.
I can finally get out of this snow.
Yeah, oh my God, I'm gonna freeze to death. Oh shit! Hurry!
Maybe we should just teleport.
Yeah. Wait. No. We can still do it. Come on. All the way there. Come on. Shit.
Oh gosh, it's still freezing here.
Come on.
I thought we were safe.
Over
Maybe-
here.
But there's devils there.
We got to, or else we're gonna die. Yeah, it's looking at us.
It's
Grab out
pretty
your
musty.
sword. Oh,
I
dude,
like the hair.
it's getting cold again. Don't forget about your meter. Fuck.
Damn it. Okay, go around.
Over here. Yeah,
Where are you?
Over here. You can cool down
Oh,
from
man.
here. You can cool
Lance,
down
the
from
pig-
here.
The pig is bad. Pig is bad.
Let me get some of that life force. Oh yes, it feels so good.
Why do you have to have sound effects like I feel it in my ass? I think I want to go home.
Okay.
It's not.
Wow, it feels so good here. Oh.
It's good. It's really good here.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this I should store
Look
my.
in the stone chest.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
That's mine.
Well, how
I
about
was
you?
making that.
Okay, I'm gonna place the coal here just in case you need some again.
Yeah. I'll probably find it while digging down.
Wow, snow. We got 58 of them.
I'll make another stone chest for that.
Yeah. Dead grass. I don't know when we'll be using that. It's dead. Okay.
I
Queen
don't
bee.
really know either.
What's a queen bee?
Wait, what? Give it to me.
Yeah, it's already in the stone chest. I'm just putting it there.
Okay.
Marble. This looks attracting.
Okay.
Go. Flowers. Flowers everywhere.
Oh. You're really dumping all this shit here.
I guess I have to make do with what I have.
Make do with what you have,
Rush.
young man.
Mhm.
Life isn't always the way you want it to be. But no matter what much, Mama. Oh,
When there's an earthquake, it's the earth taking a dump. Oh shit!
it's nature taking its toll on us.
Yeah.
Question: does honeycomb taste good raw?
I don't know. Maybe you could add some sauce to it. It could taste about
There
good.
are lots and lots of sugar and ketchup.
Mmm. Mmm. Yum.